Hey there. Welcome to the ultimate guide for rocking that healthy skin glow. Ever wondered about the magic behind that enviable, radiant skin? Well, you're in for a treat as we embark on a journey through the top 10 secrets to achieving and maintaining healthy skin. Get ready to discover the secrets that will have you saying hello to healthier, happier skin. Your skin is like a mirror, reflecting your overall well-being. But we're not just talking about looking good. We're talking about feeling good from the inside out. Let's break down the basics of skincare for a complexion that shines with health. First things first, it's not just about slapping on creams and looking pretty. It's about treating your skin with love and care. Picture this. Your skin is a happy camper when you're treating your body well. Healthy skin isn't just about looking good. It's about being in top form, doing its job to keep you feeling great. When your skin is healthy, it's like your body's own superhero, with all the right powers to take care of you. Imagine your skin as this perfect balance of moisture. It's not too dry, not too oily, just right. That's the sweet spot for healthy skin. It's like giving your skin a big drink of water, keeping it plump and glowing. And let's talk about how it looks. Healthy skin has this even tone and texture that's smooth like silk. No rough patches, no redness, just a natural, beautiful canvas. Think of your skin like a shield, standing strong against all the stuff that tries to mess with it. It fights off the bad guys, microbes, chemicals, you name it. It's like your skin's own fortress, keeping you safe and protected. Oh, and did you know your skin can sense things? It feels heat, cold, pressure, and even pain. It's like having a built-in radar to keep you aware of what's happening around you. Ever heard of vitamin D? Yup, your skin's got a role in making that happen too. It's like a little factory producing the sunshine vitamin that keeps your body in good shape. And here's the coolest part. Your skin has this amazing ability to heal itself. It's like having a built-in repair kit for when things go a bit haywire. From little scrapes to more serious wounds, your skin's got your back, always working to get you back to that healthy, vibrant state. So, what makes skin healthy? It's all about finding that perfect balance. It's hydrated but not too oily, all while having that radiant glow. It's smooth, elastic, and strong, like a superhero cape wrapping you up. Even when there are little bumps or irritations, healthy skin bounces right back, thanks to its super resilience. It's like your skin's inner strength that keeps it looking and feeling amazing, no matter what life throws at it. Remember, taking care of your skin isn't just about fixing problems, it's about supporting its natural power to keep you healthy and glowing every step of the way. Your skin's got your back, so give it the love and care it deserves, and it'll keep you shining bright. So, let's start with the essentials. From simple everyday habits to game-changing rituals, join us as we count down from 10 to 1, revealing the secret to unlocking your skin's natural glow. Number 10. Listen to your skin. Your skin talks, and it's not shy about it. Dryness, redness, breakouts. These are its notes. Pay attention and adjust your skincare routine accordingly. And hey, if things get confusing, don't hesitate to consult a dermatologist. They're like the therapists for your skin, offering personalized advice to keep your skin singing a happy tune. Number 9. Stay consistent. Results in skincare don't happen overnight. It's a journey, not a sprint. Stay consistent with your routine, and you'll reap the benefits in the long run. Think of it like tending to a garden. Patience and regular care lead to a beautiful bloom. Number 8. Customize your skincare routine. Not all skins are created equal. Yours is unique, like a fingerprint. So why follow a one-size-fits-all routine? Customize your skincare routine to fit your skin type and specific concerns. Oily, dry, or a mix of both. Choose products that vibe with what your skin needs. Number 7. Gentle exfoliation. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, promoting a brighter complexion. However, be gentle to avoid irritation. Depending on your skin type, exfoliate 1 to 3 times a week to reveal smoother and healthier skin. Number 6, stress management. Stress is like that annoying friend who just won't leave you alone. But here's the kicker. It messes with your skin, causing acne and premature aging. Combat stress with simple techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or a bit of yoga. Your skin will thank you, and so will your sanity. Number 5, prioritize beauty sleep. Beauty sleep is no joke. While you're catching those Z's, your skin is working hard to rejuvenate and repair itself. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. It's like a spa day for your face, and who doesn't want to wake up with refreshed, revitalized skin? Number 4, sunscreen protection. Sunscreen isn't just for beach days, it's a daily essential. Those sneaky UV rays can mess with your skin, even on cloudy days. Slather on a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day. It's like a superhero shield, protecting your skin from aging and the nasty stuff. Number 3, balanced nutrition. You've heard the saying, you are what you eat, right? Well, your skin is no exception. Load up on fruits, veggies, and real food. It's like giving your skin a delicious feast of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Your skin will love you for it. Number 2, cleanse regularly. Dead skin cells can be party crashers, making your skin look dull. But fear not, exfoliation is your secret weapon. Think of it like giving your skin a mini spa day. Just remember, gentle is the key. A couple of times a week, and your skin will thank you by looking smoother and healthier. Number 1, hydration is crucial. Water is your skin's bestie. Imagine it as a magic potion that keeps your skin happy and hydrated. So, grab that water bottle and sip away. It's not just about keeping thirst at bay, it's about giving your skin the drink it craves. It's time for us to tackle a bunch of reasons why your skin might not be in the best shape. Let's break it down in simple terms. 1, not taking care of your skin. If you're not washing your face, slapping on some moisturizer, or giving your skin the shield it needs, you're setting the stage for problems. 2, what you eat matters. If your diet is all over the place or missing the good stuff your skin craves, it might act out. Your skin loves its vitamins and nutrients, so don't skip out on those. 3, the world outside can be harsh. Imagine your skin as a superhero, fighting off the evils of weather, pollution, and the blazing sun. But without the right armor, sunscreen anyone, it can take a beating. 4, stress is a skin nemesis. Picture stress as that annoying sidekick messing with your superhero skin. High stress levels can make your skin rebel, especially if you're already dealing with acne or eczema. 5, blame it on the genes. Sometimes it's not your fault. If your family tree has a history of skin troubles, you might have to work a bit harder to keep things in check. 6, health hiccups. If you're feeling under the weather or wrestling with some health issues, your skin might show it. Dryness, redness, or weird rashes could be the body's way of saying, hey, something's up. 7, forgetful with the water bottle. Your skin needs water, like you need your morning coffee. If you're not sipping enough, your skin might get thirsty and turn dull and dry. The good news? You can fix a lot of these issues without diving into rocket science. Start with a healthy lifestyle. Eat the good stuff, drink your water, and maybe chill a bit. Add a simple skincare routine, and if things get tricky, don't shy away from asking a pro, aka a doctor, for advice. Taking these steps can seriously level up your skin game. A flawless, radiant complexion doesn't happen overnight. It takes a holistic approach and commitment to proper skincare. The essentials include thorough yet gentle cleansing to remove impurities while maintaining moisture balance. Exfoliation then enables fresh new skin cells to surface. One must nourish that new skin with antioxidant-rich nutritional foods and intensely hydrating yet non-comedogenic moisturizers. Consistent sun protection is non-negotiable for thwarting UV exposure's aging effects. Renewal also happens during quality sleep, so prioritize a minimum of 7 hours nightly. While most steps promote prevention, visiting a dermatologist at least annually remains imperative. Detecting problems early makes for easier solutions. With diligent skincare basics, avoiding poor lifestyle habits, and regular skin checks, one can reveal their healthiest, most flawless complexion at any age. The takeaway is that a bright, even skin tone results from both outer protective measures and inner nourishment. Making skin health a priority every single day maintains that glowing facade we all admire. It's work, but the reward of confident radiance makes the effort truly pay off. Achieving and maintaining healthy skin is a holistic process that involves a combination of lifestyle choices and a proper skincare routine. By adopting these habits, you're not just caring for your skin, you're investing in your overall well-being. Here's to a healthier, happier you, radiating from the inside out. Cheers to beautiful, healthy skin.